That fuel hose is black. Black is good. Now the grey hose, which ran here to my fuel tank, grey hose is bad. Grey hose has a plastic lining on the inside, and it breaks down and it ends up blocking the fuel passage. So that's bad. So that's probably my issue. See, here I've managed to pull out that inner tube that goes inside there, meaning that inner tube, and you can see how just fucked and corroded that is. It's just not the right shape at all. That's just not okay. This was all scrunched up in there like that. I bet that's my issue.